Hello everyone, if you are a content creator in your YouTube or any kind of website blogger, you may have noticed and you have searched images in Google. When you have searched images Google and downloaded it from there, here you can see images may be subject to copyright. This notice is coming, and also some years ago Google have removed the download image button over there. So Google also do not want that people download images directly from there. So in that case, there you can see many websites give you photos, but here you can see this maybe the Shutterstock or some other website watermark is there. Shutterstock uses watermark, Adobe Photo stock footage also uses watermark. So if you want to get high quality stock footage, either you have to pay or you have to bother the watermark, or you have to give the credit link. And also many website lets you download the images, but for lower version, lower quality. If you want to get a high definition, then you have to pay. So in this video I am going to give you top 6 Google alternative for your stock footage, stock image. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So in the top 6 stock footage image download website, our number 6 is negativespace.co. So here you can see this is the website building up, and also this website do not use any kind of Google advertisement or any monetized platform, so you are also free from advertisements. But here you can see some banner will be shown there that to get the 10% of your Shutterstock you can download it. So do not worry, you do not have to pay anything, do not have to subscribe, do not have to log in. Basically Shutterstock funded this kind of website because after showing 10 images, here you can see right, these images are Shutterstock images, not free images. These are free images, but if you click here, it will be redirected to Shutterstock and ask you to payment. So this is a basically Shutterstock initiative that showing you some images for free and relative images of Shutterstock. If you click people there and go people over their website and buy it, so this website Negative Space also earn from there, and Shutterstock will also earn from there. So this is basically a portrait image. This is very good image, I must say. So where to download it? So here you can see download free stock footage, and here you can see this is written download high resolution image with CC0 license, and it is hover and download whatever you. That means CC0 means Creative Commons 0, and this Creative Commons 0 will allow you to reuse, republish, redistribute, edit without any credit link. Our number 5, it is the picwizard.com. So picwizard is also another stunning website and the same feature, high quality free stock photos, royalty free and safe for commercial use. So that's mean you do not have to give any kind of attribution, and you can use for personal use, for commercial use, for business purpose anywhere in the world. So that's the beauty of this website. So here you can see many websites. Here you can top the categories, amazing picture, American flag, whatever. Here is the search button, so you can search anything. For that you can search any awesome flower. Let's write this is pretty good rose, so just click that, and this is the, here you can see you can edit the image or brightness, color, saturation, whatever you can do here. And here you can see download button is there. So if you click there, here you can see full image downloaded here, and here you can see full quality and very much, I must say, high quality image. On list number 4 is stocksnap.io. This is another free website, and this is another, here you can see 100 of high resolution images. Every weekly it is being added, and it is free from copyright restriction. So here also you can see I have said wallpaper is there, flower, beach, nature, business, love, technology, everything, whatever you can search, you can log in, and you can also submit your own photos. If you are a photographer, this is the best place to promote yourself. Just go there, upload good quality images, you will get notice of the community. So here you can see if you wallpaper photos, here you can see absolutely awesome photos is there, and here you can see this is very much good artwork, colorful image. So let's click one photo here, and here you can see some stock footage is also there. Whatever you want you can search. I am just showing the demo. So free download is how many people seen, how many people downloaded, all are here showing. So here you can see this kind of thing is written, that photo by Steve Johnson, that means who is the author of the photo and where it is uploaded. So you can, if you want to thank credit link, you can give, but it is not mandatory, as I already said. So it is being downloaded, and if you just download and open with your computer's photo viewer, here you can see very much high quality. In our number 3 there is pexels.com, P-E-X-E-L-S, pexels.com. This is same Windows, same kind of thing. You can upload it, you can join, login, and you can discover whatever image is there. And the very good thing is that this pexels.com also provide you stock videos, so that's amazing. So this is basically sunset view, it is also being free here. In our number 2 it is pixabay.com. This website provides you photos, illustrator, vectors, music and videos also. Here you can see pretty much music is there, mood, movement, so categorize is there, you can download, play, everything. So everything is available. These musics are available for free to use and free. Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator file. Here you can see, like now it is Corona is going on, so if you are going to make any kind of e-commerce website and I'm going to sell in Amazon this kind of sanitizers, so just download this photo, and this is gonna be a vector image, or you can say infographics for sanitizer product description, and you can brand your logo here and you can use it for free. This is also doctor image, you can make it cartoon using that. This is a couple image. So all images here you can see SVG format gonna be used for any website for free. So that is pretty amazing. And also the main thing is that the photos. So let's click one. This is a mountain photo. If you are going to download it, here you can see it is written free for commercial use, no attribution required. It is clearly written, no credit link you have to give. So here you can see, if you click on download, there is multiple option, 640, 1280 full HD, then 4K. It is 5 MB maximum. You can download it whichever format you want. That is pretty amazing. In our last, number 1 is Unsplash.com. This website is very much popular, and this website have the greater big database of images comparing to other websites. Last website I have shown you multiple option, vector, SVG or music is there, but this Unsplash only focuses on stock footage, stock images and huge stock, I must say. Here you can see the top website design, you can understand this is an amazing website it is gonna be. So search bar is there, there is category, technology, animal, indoor, everything is there. So here I can see, if you Rode mic, here is there, stock footage image, here is the computer, a cup of tea is there, camera. This website is amazing and quality is no doubt about this, awesome quality of images. And here you can see this is the MacBook Pro, and this is the camera lens. Here it is Google Mobile is there, this is the MacBook Pro is there. So you are working. So if you are going to building any kind of website, you need a stock today like digital agencies. So this particular images is gonna be the killer one. You do not have to hire a model, you do not have to photograph it, so all the cost is cutting there. So you have to just download it from there, low, medium, high, original size. Or if you are going to edit or any kind of something, I must recommend use original size. Or if you are going to use for mobile version, go any on the size, but I recommend going to original side. So this is the COVID-19 section where you can see top quality photos for COVID-19 section. So do let me know in the comment section how much you love this video, and out of these top 6 websites, which websites you are going to use in future for your stock photography download for free. And also let me know if any of the website you have already known before watching this video. So I'm going to meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye and stay subscribed and stay safe from COVID-19.